Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner on the Canva app using your own phone. First thing, when you log in on Canva, you want to come over here on the menu and you want to click on the social media, okay? Then you want to scroll down to the section about YouTube. This is the section, and here you will find a different YouTube thumbnails, YouTube intros. You can scroll down and this is where you're going to find the YouTube banners. You want to click CO. The first thing that you want to do, of course, is you want to filter them, right? When you come on the top menu over here, you want to filter them. First of all, you want to filter them by style. Let's say, for example, you are running educational channel, right? Educational channel meaning you're looking for something minimalistic. So we're going to click over here on minimalist and we're going to click apply. Then we're going to scroll on the other side and we're going to click theme. Theme, it will be more on the, let's see, corporate tutorials. Let's click on tutorials. Okay, click apply. And then you want to come more on the side and you're going to filter by price. Why? Because we want the free versions of the templates. So there you have it, guys. So first thing you want to focus is we don't want any pictures, right? We just want text. Let's click on this example over here. So creating a banner, guys, very important is that the banner looks in one way when you use your phone, and the banner looks completely different when people are using their tablet or their desktop computer. So you want to make sure that the text that is prearranged over here is usually perfectly sized to look good on any device. In our example, I don't like the font, so we're going to click the text. And just to give you an example, every element, as you can see, you can click on, and every element could be customizable, okay? So don't worry if you don't like something. So click on the text and then come over here on the lower side and click on the fonts, okay? Remember, the font should kind of make sense in terms of your original, page. If it's, something beauty, spa, of course you want to make it more playful. But if it's like a educational, like a learn this, learn that, and how-to videos, or if you like running a complete, like a beginner orientation stuff, I think something like this, it will be very nice, very clean, very smooth. The pro tip that is currently updated is that if you go back and click again on the font, right, and you select the font, you can simply go on the next one and edit it as well. By clicking the font, you have already preset the previous font, as you can see. The thing that I am going to do in this particular example will be that I am going to put this second text with the bold. So you want to scroll on the side and you want to click bold. Also, probably you want to have this one having a different vision. If you get what I mean, you can essentially stretch it, so this will make it much more professional. As you can see now, I have fashion designer, brand designer, right? The subscribe button looks cool, but I think we can actually change it a little. What I think is that we might as well put the subscribe button on a different location. So for example, I think that we can put the subscribe button here on the side. Okay, we want to put it here on the side because on the channels usually you will have a subscribe button on the side. You know that very well, right? So when somebody's on your page, because if you have the subscribe button underneath and if somebody opens this on mobile, you're not gonna see it because there is a special cut on the banner on the actual page. But if the banner is next to the original text, they will be able to see it. So let's see what we're going to do with these flowers. Are we vibing with these flowers or we don't? Okay. Let's change the temperature. Let's make it, you see, warmer. Same thing, warmer. Essentially what we did, we changed the saturation. We can also adjust them, right? I can pull them closer So if I put them closer, they will simply get to the point where, you know, looks like a garden. I think looks okay. I'm not vibing with the upper one, so I am going to shift it, and then I'm gonna place it somewhere here. Remember guys, it is all what you like, not what people are telling you what's supposed to be. Okay, so you see, you can make it like this, and the other one could get a little taller on the side, and this one can come over here, and this one can come over here as well. It is very simple guys. You just need to play around and find the best arrangement. And this is how easy it is to create a YouTube banner on the Canva app guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.